It's a pleasure to have you here. Why are armed criminals becoming increasingly bold in communities once considered relatively safe? And what does the killing of a soldier during a rescue attempt reveal about the growing security concerns facing parts of Nigeria? Those are the questions many Nigerians are asking after suspected kidnappers launched a violent attack in Ogun State, leaving one soldier dead and another seriously injured. The incident, which unfolded in Mabon Etido area of Mowe, in Obafemi Owode local government area, has once again drawn attention to the evolving tactics of criminal groups and the dangers confronting security personnel on the front line. According to reports, the attack occurred during the early hours of Monday, when armed men stormed the community in what witnesses describe as a coordinated operation. Residents who woke up to the sound of gunfire initially struggled to understand what was happening. Panic quickly spread as the attackers reportedly moved into the area with a clear objective: to adopt a targeted individual. What followed was a confrontation that would end in tragedy. Community sources revealed that the gunmen attempted to kidnap a man believed to be a prominent figure in the area. As the operation unfolded, soldiers attached to security duties reportedly intervened in an effort to prevent the abduction. Instead of retreating, the attackers opened fire, triggering a fierce exchange of gunfire. In the chaos that followed, one soldier was fatally shot, while another sustained injuries. The wounded officer was later evacuated for medical treatment, while the death of the fallen soldier sent shockwave through the community. A viral video circulating on social media shortly after the incident captured what appeared to be the body of a military personnel inside a vehicle. The disturbing footage quickly spread across various platforms, generating concern and sparking speculation among residents. Many fear that the attack could signal a broader security threat in the area. Some social media users initially claimed that bandits had invaded the community. Those reports gained traction rapidly, fueling anxiety among residents already worried about the country's worsening security challenges. Yet, as investigations progressed, security authorities moved quickly to clarify the situation. According to both community leaders and security sources, the incident was not linked to a bandit invasion as widely claimed online. Instead, officials described it as a targeted kidnapping operation carried out by armed criminals. This distinction may appear minor to some observers, but security experts often note that accurate information is essential during crisis because misinformation can trigger unnecessary panic and undermine public confidence. Several residents familiar with the incident provided similar accounts. They stated that attackers were specifically targeting an individual within the community. One source explained that soldiers moved in to prevent the kidnapping, but were immediately met by heavy gunfire. The confrontation escalated within moments, leaving little opportunity for the security personnel to avoid casualties. Another resident described the operation as highly organized, suggesting that the attackers appeared to know exactly who they were targeting and where they intended to strike. Such accounts have raised questions about how criminal groups gather intelligence and plan their operations before carrying out attacks. Adding another layer to the story was a widely circulated voice note attributed to a local community leader. In the recording, the speaker insisted that residents should disregard claims that bandits had taken over the area. He argued that the attackers were kidnappers targeting a sand mining operator known locally as Capo, and that the incident was unrelated to wider bandit activities. The recording also sought to reassure residents by emphasizing that security agencies remained active within the community. According to the speaker, police officers, military personnel, and other security operatives had already mobilized to contain the situation and prevent further attacks. Meanwhile, security agencies launched immediate operations in response to the attack. Police and military personnel reportedly conducted coordinated security activities aimed at tracking down the suspect responsible for the killing. Investigators are also working to determine how the attackers gained access to the area and whether they had local collaborators. The Ogun State Police Commander later confirmed the death of the soldier. Authorities acknowledged that one security operative lost his life while another was injured during the confrontation. They also emphasized that preliminary findings do not suggest any connection between the attack and organized bandits operations within the states. This clarification is important because Ogun State has not traditionally been considered one of Nigeria's major banditry hotspots. Nevertheless, recent kidnapping incidents across various parts of the country have heightened public sensitivity to security threats, causing many citizens to react strongly whenever reports of armed attacks emerge. For many Nigerians, the killing of a soldier while attempting to stop a kidnapping is a painful reminder of the risks faced daily by security personnel. Soldiers, police officers, and other operatives often find themselves confronting heavily armed criminals determined to carry out attacks regardless of the consequences. Every operation places these officers in danger as they work to protect communities and prevent violent crimes. The incident also highlights the growing sophistication of criminal groups. Kidnapping has become one of the most persistent security challenges facing Nigeria. Armed gangs continue to target individuals, communities, travelers, business people, and even schools. The financial rewards associated with ransom payments have encouraged many criminal groups to expand their operations and become increasingly aggressive. As investigations continue, residents remain on edge, while security agencies intensify efforts to identify and arrest those responsible. Authorities have assured the public that the situation is under control and that additional security measures have been deployed to maintain order. Meanwhile, beyond the immediate response lies a broader question. If armed criminals are willing to engage trained security personnel in direct gun battles during kidnapping attempts, what does this reveal about the evolving security landscape? The answer may shape future discussions about community safety, intelligence gathering, law enforcement capabilities, and the broader fight against violent crime. For now, a community is mourning the loss of a soldier who died trying to stop a kidnapping, while security agencies race against time to ensure that those responsible are brought to justice. What do you think should be done to stop the growing wave of kidnappings across Nigeria? Do you believe security agencies need more resources, stronger intelligence, or tougher laws against kidnappers? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your opinion matters, and we want to hear from you. I'm Chidera Isom. Bye for now.